Are you ready to turn a plain 40-ounce rainbow-plated tumbler into a jaw-dropping, money-making masterpiece? With the right design and your trusty new WeCreat Vista, you can easily double or even triple your profits with this unique laser engraving project. Whether you're looking to boost your small business or create unforgettable gifts, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing all the secrets to laser engraving stunning designs on rainbow-plated tumblers using the WeCreat Vista. Stick around for expert tips on setting up your machine, achieving flawless engravings, and maximizing your earnings with some smart business strategies. This is the ultimate guide you don't want to miss. Laser engraving tumblers can feel overwhelming with all the settings and fear of ruining such a beautiful blank. But don't worry, I've been there. On this channel, I make the mistakes so that you don't have to. Today, I'm breaking down every step so you can confidently engrave your own tumblers. I'll be answering some of the most important questions you might have, including how do I set up the WeCreat Vista for a 40-ounce tumbler, what settings work best for white rainbow-plated tumblers, and how can I get clean, precise engravings without damaging the tumbler or machine. By the end of this video, you'll have answers to all of these questions, plus pro tips to make your engravings look like they were done by a seasoned expert. And don't worry about taking notes during this tutorial. I have a free printable step-by-step guide that you can download in my video description. First things first, let's set up the Vista. What makes this laser so cool is its one-of-a-kind FlipLaser technology. With the Vista, you can flip your laser module to engrave either from the top or the side, allowing you to engrave large cylindrical objects like 40-ounce tumblers without the need for risers, all in a compact 6.5-inch tall machine. I'm going to teach you how to flip the laser module from vertical to horizontal engraving. Check out how easy this is. Just unscrew the 2 screws on the sides, turning them in opposite directions. You'll feel the screws spring out, then flip the laser module down. Tighten your screws back up and you're ready to go. Next, I'll show you how to install the rotary attachment. If you're engraving round or cylindrical objects like these tumblers, the rotary is a must-have. It's super easy to set up. Just line up the pin, tighten 2 screws, and plug in the cable. I've had some issues with the WeCreat Rotary because without the special attachment, your cup doesn't extend far enough past the no work zone, making it impossible to engrave the whole tumbler. This cup turnout holder, which I bought on Amazon, solves that problem. It's adjustable to fit tumblers from 10 to 40 ounces, and it's only $15.99 for a 2-pack. I'll link it in the video description, along with the 3/4-inch PVC pipe that you need to connect it. I would highly recommend buying this tool because it makes laser engraving a lot easier. I'll be using these 40-ounce rainbow-plated tumbler blanks from my Etsy shop. They're available in white or black, and I always ship orders out super fast with same or next day shipping, depending on the time that you place your order. These blanks look nearly identical to the 40-ounce Stanleys, and the Stanley lids even fit on them. Step 2, preparing your tumbler for laser engraving. Next, you're going to measure your tumbler's perimeter. Grab your tape measure or digital calipers to measure the tumbler. If you're measuring around the tumbler with measuring tape, that's the perimeter. With the calipers, you're measuring across the cup, which is the diameter. Write this number down. You'll need it for the WeCreat MakeIt software in a moment. I prefer digital calipers for accuracy, but a measuring tape works fine too. Flip the tumbler upside down and unscrew the 2 screws on the underside of the handle. Bend the tabs down as flat as possible to avoid interference with the laser. If you have super strong fingers, you can bend the tabs down by hand. Alternatively, you can use some needle nose pliers to bend the tabs. Some people worry that bending the tabs might weaken the handle, but I've never had any issues. Before engraving, clean your tumbler with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe to remove oils, dust, or fingerprints that could affect your engraving. I like using coffee filters since they're a cheap, lint-free wipe that most people already have in their home. Slide your tumbler into the rotary attachment. You want to make sure that the tabs are facing the back of the machine so that when you look at the camera preview, the tabs are on the right side of the cup. Use a small level to ensure it's aligned correctly. Even a slight misalignment can warp your design. I've seen a lot of people in the WeCreat Facebook groups suggesting this laser tumbler level. I've personally never used it before, but it does look really cool and helpful. Have you guys used it? Let me know. I'll leave a link to that in my description too if you'd like to give it a try. If you haven't already, I would love if you joined our WeCreat group on Facebook. It's called WeCreat Vision and Vista Laser Engraver for Beginners. With over 3.7 thousand members and growing, there's plenty of people to help answer questions and share project ideas. Step 3 is setting up the WeCreat MakeIt software. Keep the lid on your laser open. The camera is located in the top left corner, and the lid needs to be open for it to work. This will help measure your blank accurately. I'll let you know later on when it's time to close the lid, but for now, let's leave it open and move over to the computer. Ever feel like you have the perfect blank but have no idea what to put on it? It's one of the most common struggles for crafters, needing that spark of inspiration to kickstart your next project. I've been there too with these white tumblers. I wanted to create some wedding projects for my Etsy shop since October is the most popular month for weddings, but I didn't know what design to put on it. That's when I turned to my go-to source for inspiration, Creative Fabrica. Whenever I'm stuck and in need of ideas, Creative Fabrica always saves the day. They have millions of graphic designs, fonts, SVGs, and laser cut files to explore. This time, I stumbled upon a beautiful wifey SVG, and I thought it was the perfect fit for my white tumbler wedding project. With Creative Fabrica's all-access subscription, which is just $3.99 a month, you get unlimited downloads of fonts, graphics, and engraving projects. Plus, every design comes with a commercial license, so you can use them in your projects without worrying about copyright issues. It's perfect for small business owners who want to run their business without running into any legal trouble. If you've ever struggled with figuring out what to make, Creative Fabrica is your ultimate solution. I've included a link to a free trial in the video description. With Creative Fabrica, you'll never run out of ideas. Just look at all of these 40-ounce tumbler SVGs to choose from. Open the WeCreat MakeIt software and change the setting from laser flat to laser cylindrical to indicate that you're using the Rotary. Click refresh and your camera will pull up a picture of your tumbler inside the laser. Enter either the perimeter or diameter measurement you took earlier. My perimeter is 12.31 inches. Make sure that if you measured in inches, the software is set to use inches. If it's accidentally set to millimeters, your design won't engrave correctly. To change between inches and millimeters, go to Settings and select the one you want. Click the Import button on the left, find your saved file, and click Open. Resize the design by dragging the corners or adjusting the scale. I set mine to 3 inches wide. If you need to add a date, click on Text, type in the year, shrink it, and position it on your design. Highlight the whole design and click Merge Graphic Shapes, which is like welding in Cricut Design Space. It makes the design one piece. Make sure you have Fill Engraved selected. I set my power to 50, speed to 15, and line density to 100. The software estimates an engraving time of about 18 minutes and 49 seconds. Click Send, close the lid, and press Start on your machine. Now it's time to engrave. Hit Start and let the Vista work its magic. The laser moves smoothly over the tumbler, creating a stunning design. After engraving, it's normal for the design to look black and smoky. Use a magic eraser to scrub off the residue. It wipes right off, revealing the vibrant rainbow plating beneath. Don't be afraid to use some elbow grease to remove all of the soot. Once cleaned, carefully bend the tabs back out. Slide the handle on and tighten the screws underneath. The rainbow effect shining through the engraving looks amazing. You've seen how to set up, engrave, and finish a stunning 40-ounce rainbow tumbler with the WeCreat Vista. Now let's talk about turning this skill into cash. Custom laser engraved tumblers like these are selling for $60 or more on Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and personal websites. People love being able to personalize their gifts, and offering customization is a great way to add value and increase your profits. Whether it's adding names, special dates, logos, or unique designs, you can charge an upcharge for personalization, making each tumbler even more special. Choose high-quality designs like these from Creative Fabrica to get professional results. Presentation really makes a difference, especially when you're showing off your beautiful tumblers online. If you're looking to step up your video listings, try using a rotating display stand like the one I use. It's battery-powered, so you can get a smooth, hands-free 360-degree view of your cup. Perfect for showing off those full-wrap designs without blocking the shot. And when it comes to photos, don't forget about Canva's background remover tool and mock-ups. Great visuals can make all the difference in attracting customers and setting your products apart from the competition. So whether you're looking to build a business, create unique gifts, or just show off your creativity, the opportunities are endless. Start selling online or locally and watch how quickly these beautiful tumblers catch people's attentions and wallets. Now that you've mastered the 40-ounce rainbow-plated tumbler, why not try something new? Check out my next video on how to make custom garden stakes with the 20-watt WeCreat Vision. The process is pretty much the same on the Vision as it is on the Vista, plus you'll learn valuable tips like how to laser cut and engrave designs with 3mm basswood. For more WeCreat tips and tutorials, check out my website at www.cricketer.com. Don't forget to download that free printable step-by-step guide in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.